Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of an item. You see the item in the title, you already know what it is. Enough chit chat, let's open it up and see what's inside like now. Alrighty folks, here we are. This is what you're going to be looking at. And the thing of it is, we're looking at the history of a Seiko dive watch, which is known as the legendary 62 MAS, M-A-S, that is, 62 M-A-S. Originally released sometime around the summer of 1965, nicknamed the, I can't say this, it's the portmanteau of the watch movement, caliber 62. Original reference number 6217 8000 or the 6217 8001. And it's under the original, what is it? The size of the spec of this watch is 37 millimeters, 150 millimeter water resistant. Nice movement and everything. And now the market value for these are going for 10 grand. And they've been modern reissues, but those went out like pancakes very rapidly. And here's one of the other variation on a blue strap, blue face with white markers, including for the looms and everything. And it's the prospects of the modern reissue of the 1965 diver, of the original 16117, the 6217 for the record. And now look at this, look at these two. Like 48 years apart. Yeah, 58 years apart. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 48 years apart. 58 years apart, sorry folks. Yeah. So 58 years apart. So this is the one from 65. Zoom at it. Look how awesome it is. All right, and here's from 2023. Updated and upgraded. Very, very well, if I do say so. Pause that and read it. And yeah, there have been modded ones. If you heard the word modded, ignore that. Japanese dive. Well, that's an ad. Just for the record, that dude right there is the Mad Watch Collector. And this particular one is a limited edition. Alrighty, no chit chat. It's time to check it out. Like now. Here it is. Oh, it's. There we go. Closer to its counterpart from from say 58 years ago. No, 1965, so make it 61 years ago. Sorry, I've been mistaken. So yeah, this is what it looks like. No serial number backs. And if you remove this, these are the FKM rubber straps, except this is like more softened version. Very, very cool. No serial numbers. Very low, don't you think? It's amazing. Sapphire dome crystal, big crown. Details. Let's give it a little moving. You see how big is this crown? And again, if you already noticed, this is a modded version that we got about a year ago. I can't even sell it precisely, but there's a YouTube video from a Japanese dude. So yeah, and this has the NH35 movement. DIA Shark, 26 jewel. Yep, looms everywhere you're going to see at the end of this video. And then the FKM rubber strap, a little waffly on the back, but at the same time, very good texture. A little different though. Must be a soft tropic rubber straps. Oh yeah. Alrighty. Let's take a quick measurement quickly. Band size. So for the strap size, it's going to be about 20 millimeters. Case size, don't count the crown, approximately 39.2 millimeters. Lug tip to lug tip will give you approximately 48.7 millimeters. And what else? Thickness, approximately 15.3 millimeters. And the size of the crown, 19.4 millimeters. Measure with this size, it's 7 millimeters. Huh? Wow. So yeah, this is a modded version, but it has similar DNA to the predecessor from so many years ago. Approximately 61 years ago. But it has the Japan BL35 00J00R2. Very good plotted. Zoom, baby. Woo-wee. Very cool. Let's take a quick wrist shot how it looks on the Sparky wrist. Here it is, folks. That's how it looks, folks. This is a dive watch. And also a similar model to this one is known as the 6217-8000, worn by Robert Shaw in the 1977 film The Deep, which is adapted from the Peter Benchley novel. If anybody has seen that movie, let me know in the comments. While the hero, Nick Nolte, is wearing a Rolex Submariner No Date, our other hero, Robert Shaw, who plays Rumor, if I said the name right, is wearing the Seiko. I forgot what the female character is wearing. I don't even know what Louis Gossett Jr. is wearing in that movie. But heck, you gotta check that out. It's a good film from 1977. Yeah. Let me be clear with a few things. I work out, I like to eat sometime, goof off, or just chill for the rest of the day. Weeks, months go by. That's how it is. Alrighty, yo, what time is it? What time is it? What? Music time, like now. Alrighty, we're going to be playing a song from 2025, and this song is called Kill the Ghost by a band called Little Image, released in 2025. Oh, actually, it's from their album Kill the Ghost. The album is called Kill the Ghost, and the title song is Kill the Ghost from the band or group called Little Image. Alternative indie. Enjoy, folks. That was Little Image with the hit song Kill the Ghost, released in 2025. So, what do you guys think of this modded version of the 62MS? If I had gotten the original, maybe I should do a comparison, but It is what it is. And it has the DNA. Definitely the DNA in the big crown. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys either a fan of certain watch brands? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, the year 2025 was alright. And among other things. And such. So, folks, if you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content or the year that the content was released? Comments down below. Also, click the bell to be notified of any uploads, whether it be videos for the time it's going to show up or the show time of when the video is going to pop up, or links to anything, whether it be pre-order products, links to other places. Check those out as well. So yeah, daily, check it out both daily and weekly. You'll never know what's going to pop up, folks. You'll never know. Also give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the visual media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, bloggers, travelers, convention goers, all you collectors out there. And especially give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all, kitty cats and dogs. Shouts to you all. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the weekend, y'all, and enjoy Memorial Day weekend as well. Catch you on the next vid. Later, y'all.